Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Well, here it is Friday night in the big sky, and we're going to talk about Saturday night because something happened on Saturday night. We turned the clocks back 1 hour on Saturday night. We're ending daylight saving time. And what time does that happen? Well, it starts at 2 a.m. and then you turn it back to 1 a.m. We actually get to pick up that extra hour of sleep we lost in the spring. Now, that's good news. Meanwhile, take a look at this shot tonight from Kathy LeDuc. There you can cold strip and look at the beautiful fall color she's captured with that. Kind of the same thing over in Glendive. This is the sunset tonight. Sandy Dare got that beautiful sunset is there as well as there. So it's just a beautiful night there. And meanwhile, here in Billings, not bad either. Currently, we do have 53 degrees with northwest wind at 24, gusting to 37 miles per hour. It's a pretty breezy day out there. What's happening, there's a cold front moving through. At the same time, we have the jet stream over us. The two are kind of mixing together, so we're getting some strong gusty winds mixing their way down to the surface. Now, our high temp today was 68 degrees because of a warm front. 54 is your average high. 77 was the record back in 1950. The record low was 7 below back in 1991, and as far as the sunset, that happened at 6:03 tonight, and you'll notice no new precipitation, so we're still ahead of normal for the month at 2:16. We're a little bit behind normal for the year at 12:44. Need to be at 12.5 inches to be caught up to average. Now, the wind, that's been the big issue. They've had a cold front move on through. Winds gusting last hour in Billings to 37 miles per hour, 43 miles per hour at Miles City, 36 over at Glendive. So we've had these strong gusty winds blowing on through the area tonight. And in fact, at one point in time up in the northeast corner of the state, we had a severe thunderstorm warning because of winds blowing 60 miles per hour in that area. Right now, our current temps into the 30s and 40s out in the west, 50s back here across eastern Montana. Look at our reported highs for the day. We had some 70s, many places, 73 at Sheridan. It was 72 at Jordan, 70 at Miles City, 70 at Havre, and same thing at Helena. Elsewhere, it was kind of cool out in the western part of the state. Had some smog and stagnant air lingering there, so kind of kept things cool into the 50s. But Helena got up to 70 degrees there today. Now, we still have a high wind warning till midnight for a couple of counties here near Fergus and also towards the Rocky Mountain front right on down towards the Bozeman area. Could see some strong gusty winds there. And also the Cody foothills see 60 mile per hour winds until midnight. All the other wind reports have been starting to die down, and that's good news because this right here, you can see all these showers. There's just not heavy rain, just light rain. But right there in the northeastern corner of the state, that's where we had that severe thunderstorm warning this evening, that now that whole cold front continues to push its way out of the region, and it's starting to push its way in towards the Dakotas. A little dip in the jet stream continues to take these showers and just push them back up towards the northeast. But at the surface, we had the warm front today. Here comes the cold front moving through tonight, blows through tomorrow morning, and then another cold front comes in behind that. And so we're going to be a little cooler on Saturday, but at least the cold fronts are taking away the cloudy skies, and we're looking at mostly sunny skies on Saturday. Right on into Sunday, even Sunday, will even be a little bit warmer. But in the meantime, here's what we're going to see tonight. Temperatures cooling back down to the 20s, some low 30s, and look at the low 40s back here across south central and eastern Montana. Then for tomorrow, we're back to the 40s and 50s for afternoon highs. Because of the cold front, we will be a little bit cooler, but still, we'll take that for this time of year. In the meantime, tonight, we'll cool down to 37 degrees, partly cloudy skies. Still a little bit of wind, but not quite as windy as it was. We had a 40 mile per hour wind gust about 8 o'clock tonight as things were getting really going in our area. But you'll notice here tomorrow, back up to 51 degrees. Of course, it's Halloween, and so that night we're looking at maybe 30 degrees with the time we turn the clocks back. Then on Sunday, 58 degrees. After that, look at the 60s right on through Thursday, 54 degrees on Friday with a 20% chance for some spotty showers. That's weather. Let's go back to Russ.